Hello everyone, welcome back to Web2 app, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to set up screen time limits on iPhone. Using your phone for excess amount of time is a common problem, so to fix it you can add screen limits on your phone on your different apps. So to do so, first of all click on your settings and search for screen time. Now scroll till you see app limits, click on it. Now tap on add limit, categorize into different sections, so you can click on any and click on the app you want to add limit to. Now you can set the daily time limit and click on add. So once you are using the app and once the limit is reached, the app will be locked for the day automatically, and that's it. Screen time limits are now enabled. Thank you for watching and follow us for more tips and tutorials.